is a 1980 Hunter original model 22-450. Got this off eBay, complete except for the J-hook. It's got some really nice cane blades, which I love. It used to have a light dimmer on it, right here, but we took that off. We tested it once with the light dimmer. It was kind of buzzy, so we took it off. Turn it on, and it's on now. It's gonna turn. Kind of hums a bit when it first starts up. You can hear the whipping of the blades. Feels really nice, doesn't it? Hello, and you turn. Watch the spin down. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed.